Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to crop photos using your iPhone. So you have a photo in your phone library and you want to know how to crop it on your iPhone. So first you want to go ahead and open up your Photos app. You want to go ahead and scroll through your camera roll and find the photo which you want to edit. So for example, this one here. Now if I want to crop this photo out so I only leave the white space here, I'll go ahead and tap on Edit at the top right. From the screen here at the bottom, you'll see crop. So go ahead and tap on crop. You can do manual crop using these. So by selecting it and dragging it, or you can use templates, which is right here at the top right. And this will allow you to crop in different shapes. So you have a square, wallpaper style, 9x16, 4x5, 5x7, 3x4, 3x5, 2x3. You can also crop in landscape and portrait mode. So go ahead and choose what you like or what's your preference. It might be that you might be posting this photo on another social media app like Instagram or Snapchat. So I would recommend that choosing 9x16. Now once you've chosen the style of cropping, go ahead and tap on done once you're happy with that. So there you go. That is how to crop an image on your iPhone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.